Well, in a recent interview, an Uber executive just explained why Uber is refusing to raise rates for drivers. You don't want to miss this video. It gets very interesting. Please thumbs it up so more people are aware of this, because I haven't seen the mainstream media reporting on this. This is an article that I just found, and this comes Thursday, June 16th, 2022. But listen to this. Uber explains why they will not bring down its commission rates. So Uber does operate on a commission rate still in some markets, and Imran Manji, who is the CEO of Uber in East Africa, just came out and said why Uber is refusing to raise rates. Uber's business model is that the driver on our platform will be able to utilize the vehicle more during the day, and the way this works is by fundamentally decreasing the price of the trip compared to, for example, the traditional airport taxi, but ensuring that the driver gets more trips per day. By reducing the price, we are opening up the market for people who can afford the services, and that increased demand then flows to the drivers with an increase in trips per hour, otherwise known as TPH. TP, yeah, toilet paper. It's never our objective to keep prices as low because we make money when the drivers make money. Our revenue is purely 100% linked to the driver's revenue. If the driver on a given day is making less, then we are making less. Petrol and diesel prices have just increased today. Do you plan to change these rates? We had raised our prices with the biggest fuel increase in February. We are looking to raise them again since this morning, since the price has gone up again. But fuel is not the only component of the trip fare. For most drivers, it's the second largest cost. But it is not the only one. So there should not only be a correlation between fuel prices and immediate. So there should also. So he's saying there's other expenses too, like wear and tear on your car. Yeah, what about inflation, bro? Will the rates touch on the minimum rate Uber charges on the kilometer fee? There have been disputes within the industry about 25% commission. I mean, shouldn't it be down to like 10%? That's crazy. So anyways, want to make this quick update. Obviously, this is in not in America, but it's in East Africa. And Uber drivers seem to be upset over there. They seem to be striking over there as well. So let me know your thoughts on this. And should we go back to the commission style, or do you like the rate per mile and rate per minute fares that you're seeing? And do you think drivers are getting paid enough, or do you think they should be getting paid more? Comment your thoughts down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.